Welcome to Cracking the Code, Mastering YouTube for Profitable Content Creation. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to making money as a content creator on YouTube. YouTube has become a global platform for content creators to showcase their talent and earn a substantial income. But with millions of channels out there, how do you stand out from the crowd? First, identify your niche. Find a topic you're passionate about and stay consistent with your content. Whether it's gaming, beauty, or cooking, focus on delivering value to your audience. Next, optimize your videos. Use eye-catching titles, compelling thumbnails, and relevant tags to increase your video's visibility. It's all about catching the viewer's attention and enticing them to click. Engagement is key. Reply to comments, interact with your subscribers, and build a community around your channel. The more connected your audience feels, the more likely they are to support you. Now let's talk monetization. Join the YouTube Partner Program and enable ads on your videos. As your channel grows, you can explore additional revenue streams like brand partnerships and merchandise sales. But remember, quality content is king. Invest in your equipment, improve your production skills, and always strive for better. The more professional and polished your videos are, the more successful you'll become. Consistency is vital. Set a regular uploading schedule and stick to it. This helps build anticipation and keeps your audience engaged. Don't let them forget about you. Lastly, promote. Utilize social media platforms to share your content and collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. The more exposure you get, the faster your channel will grow. In conclusion, becoming a profitable content creator on YouTube requires dedication, passion, and strategic planning. So keep creating, keep improving, and don't forget to believe in yourself.